Wanting to go viral is something that hold a lot of artists back because it forces you to only look at the numbers instead of looking at people as a real human and what are they going to engage with that you know something about and actually provide value to people that want to know that information. And that's how you build a real engaging audience of people who actually going to keep coming back and they're going to stream your music and they're going to buy your merch and they're going to buy a ticket to your shows. What's good? It's Timeless Ride with TR Mentality. And before we get into the video, make sure y'all own your own shit. Now, before we go any further in the video, make sure you go ahead and like the video, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram at Timeless Rock Music, and make sure you share this video with anybody who could relate and need this information. And in this video, we're gonna be talking about if you want your music to go viral, try this. Now, as an independent artist, I tell y'all all the time that when you first starting out, nobody cares about your music. Nobody's gonna take the time out to listen to your music. They already got their favorite artist to listen to. They already got their favorite song to listen to. So why would they listen to your music? And I always talk to y'all about how you gotta provide something else. You gotta provide value by showing your personality, showing things that most people don't show, dropping knowledge about your experience in the music industry. On social media, you can post content about it to actually build an engaging audience that rock with you and actually wanna and actually like you as a person. And from there, they can actually listen to your music from a different perspective and actually even care to listen to your music whenever you drop it. I always talk about how dropping music ain't enough and that wanting to go viral is something that hold a lot of artists back and a lot of content creators back because it forces you to only look at the numbers instead of looking at people as a real human and what are they going to engage with, what's something that they want to see that you know something about and actually provide value to people that want to know that information. And that's how you build a real engaging audience of people who actually going to keep coming back and they're going to subscribe and they're going to comment on your videos, they're going to come in your lives and they're going to stream your music. They're gonna buy your merch and they're gonna buy a ticket to your shows. Just dropping music ain't gonna be enough to go ahead and do that. Now, anything can happen, but if you somebody that really wanna get to it, you gotta make sure that you doing everything it takes to actually make it happen. If you're an artist, you're a creative person, so you can get creative and make content for all these social medias. And for a lot of people that's not comfortable on camera, if you're an artist, you know you gotta be on stage one day. You're gonna have to perform for people and you're gonna be the only person on the stage and all eyes gonna be on you. So if you're gonna do that, you can definitely get on camera and talk to your audience as much as possible, especially if you wanna be an independent artist and own your own shit at all times. You gotta go ahead and take your career into your own hands. And the best way to do that is by posting real content that's engaging and is providing value to the people that need that value. And it ain't no better place to do that than on YouTube. So if you're an independent artist looking to post content and build your brand on social media, make sure you go ahead and click the link down below in the description to download a tool called TubeBuddy. It's gonna give you the best hashtags for your videos. It's gonna help you optimize your videos for the search engine and just how to build your channel faster than everybody else making a channel right now. So make sure y'all go ahead and click the link down below in the description to go ahead and download that free tool called TubeBuddy so that you can start growing your channel and you can actually build an audience that's going to listen to your music and become a fan of you as an artist throughout your entire career. Also, if you're an independent artist looking to take full control of your creativity in the studio, make sure you go ahead and click the link down below in the description to download my free ebook on how to build a home studio. I'm going to show you all the equipment you need to go ahead and build a home studio, the mentality shift you need to go ahead and record your own music at home, and how to avoid wasting all the time and the money that I wasted when I first started building my home studio. And also, when you get your home studio and you don't want to put in all that time to go ahead and learn how to mix and master your music, I also got my vocal recording templates down below in the description for 85% off for only $9.99, and it's gonna have your music sounding crisp and clean. You ain't even gotta know how to mix and you can put your music out from day one. But with that being said, make sure y'all go ahead and comment down below, let me know your thoughts on the video. Also leave a like on the video, and if you're new to the channel, go ahead and subscribe. And I'm out of here, man.
My heart burning for the moonlight. Now you there, wishing I